वेस्टर्न बायपासाचे काम पुराय करूंक आनीक काय वेळ जाय म्हूण गोयच्या PWD आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कंपनी NG तारमत जॉयंट व्हेंचरान हायकोर्टा कडेन मागला. मे एंडा मेरेन वेळ दिवचो म्हूण PWD मागता जाल्यार कंपनीन सप्टेंबर एंडा मेरेन वेळ मागला. मंगळारा कोर्टात सुनावणे वेळार हायकोर्टान वेस्टर्न बायपास हायवे प्रकल्पाचे कामाक खूपच वेळ लागला म्हूण नाराजी उक्तायली. डेडलायन फाटल्या 31 डिसेंबराची आशिल्ली हायकोर्टाचे निरीक्षण अशें. योग्य कारण नासतना कंपनी वेळ काडत चल्ल्या. कंपनीचो वेळ काडपाचो इतिहास आसूनय सरकार तांकां एका फाटल्यान एक कंत्राट दीत चल्ला. एक काम अर्दवट सोडून दुसरें काम हातात घेवपाचो प्रकार चल्ला.
Western bypass today, the application was filed by the contractor as well as the state government for extension of time for construction of that portion of certain portion which is an elevated portion. Now this matter came up today. Now the matter is kept in the next week for the purpose of filing an affidavit by the contractor giving details as to which works are completed, which are yet to be completed, and how much time exactly is required to be there for the purpose of completion of the work. Now the state government is also supposed to file a status report giving details as to what is the work that is pending to be done and in what manner this work is required to be done. Those affidavits and compliance report, or rather a status report, will be filed on the next date, and the High Court will decide as to how much time the work requires to be completed. We have sought a time up to the end of month of May for completion of entire civil work except for the asphalting. So now the matter will be taken up by the High Court in the next week.
सुनावणी 26 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन दुखलून हायकोर्टान PWD आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कंपनीक एफिडेविट दिवपाक 21 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन प्रास दिला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.